This is not normal trading. I'm going to show you how you can warm up your wallets to stay ahead of the game and avoid bundle detection, or for whatever your purpose is. Important, this is educational content only, and I'll show you how to warm up wallets properly, and 2 effective methods to use on Axiom or BullX. Let's get started. First, we need a phantom wallet. If you don't have one yet, download it now. I use multiple wallets funded from different places. Axiom Binance, Axiom KuCoin, and Axiom OKX. And I'll fund them at different times. Morning one deposit, afternoon another deposit, night final deposit. To begin, I'll choose the Axiom Binance wallet and copy its Solana address. Now let's check SolScan transactions, and you'll see a transaction I made just 2 minutes ago for 2.4 Sol. Open Phantom Wallet, go to Manage Accounts, and choose the wallet you want to use. Click Show Private Key, enter your password, hit Next, and copy your private key. Go to Axiom Pro, Account and Security, Manage Wallets, and paste your private key there. Now we're all set. Let's move on to warming up our wallets. Method 1, open Axiom or BullX, whichever platform you prefer. In my case, Axiom Pro. In Axiom, go to Pulse, where we look for a coin with a funny or trending narrative. Something like March is coming or USA take. We need to find a dead coin. Low market cap, all holders sold. Check the holders section to see how many are left. The dev owns 4.95%. It's not good, so we move on. Here in March is coming, you see there's only about 0.3% owned all up. This one is much better. So let's use March is coming. We buy a random amount. I'll go with 1.4 Sol. Set take profit at plus 25%. Or whatever percentage you prefer. Erase sell amount on dev sell to hold it longer. Hit buy. Now we can sell anytime for profit. In this case, I sell now and take $18 in profit. Now let me show you a different method for bigger coins with high trading volume. Find a popular coin with a big market cap where lots of people are trading. This means we can win or lose. I'll buy 0.2 Sol and get FWOG. The order gets created instantly, and it appears here. Now I'll set a limit order for selling and order placed. If we check portfolio, active positions, we can see that we have 3 positions warming up our wallet. Let's go back to Pulse. Choose another coin, click on it, and check our limit order. This method keeps your wallets active in big market cap coins, making them look natural. Here's why warming wallets is important. If you send funds and immediately trade, it looks suspicious. Bundled transactions can be tracked easily. Solution, space out transactions. For example, Friday, warm up 5 wallets. Saturday, warm up 5 more. Sunday, warm up 5 more. Monday or Tuesday, start using them. Doing this prevents detection and keeps your activity looking natural.